Hello and welcome to this showcase demonstration of Phrase's latest integration between Optimizely CMS and Phrase TMS. Here you can see me logged into Optimizely. This is my demo content page that I wish to localize. You can see here this is the master English version, and we're going to generate target French and German versions. So now I've navigated over to TMS, and you can see here I've configured my Optimizely integration, and typically as a secondary step to the configuration of the connectivity, you would create an APC, an automatic project creation mechanism. This is a scheduled component that looks for new and modified content within Optimizely and pulls it out and prepares it for translation. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to do a manual pull, but typically that APC would kick in based on the schedule that you configure and do that in an automatic manner. So I'm going to click into my project and then create a new job within that. And here you can see add from online repository, and here you can see that I have my Optimizely CMS. So this is the same folder structure that you saw in the Optimizely UI, and here is the demo about us page that I want to localize. So I'm going to select that and then click create. So I've pre-configured a workflow as well behind this project so that these individual files will follow fairly standard workflow with human touch points, translation and review, but I've also pre-configured this project to pre-translate using Phrase Language AI, so that when I open one of the files we should then see it populated in the target with translations. You can also note that we have the QPS score as well. This is an automated mechanism to measure the quality of the machine translation. Once I'm happy with those translations, and again for the purposes of the demo I've kind of cut that workflow short, but you would also, if you wanted, have human touch points or a fully automated flow depending on the specific project requirements. Now I'm going to select both of my target languages and again manually pull them back into Optimizely. Again, typically the workflow execution, which I've bypassed, would, when it hits the complete status, would automatically trigger that return leg. So I'm going to export to online repository. And then we should see those back in Optimizely if we navigate over there now. So here we are again back inside Optimizely. This is the original source English of the page. Here you can see we've added the French and German versions, and if I use the language toggle you can then see the content update. So this is the machine translated version which we just machine translated using Phrase Language AI in TMS. And that concludes the demo. Short, it proves the connectivity, the round tripping of the content, and also the value of including Phrase Language AI as an automated means to deliver your website localizations.